Welcome to Listening Practice in English.
The park near my house. 5 minutes from my flat is Greenfield Park, my happy escape. Its main path has cherry trees that turn pink in spring. In the centre is a fountain shaped like a dolphin. Kids splash around it in summer while parents sit on striped benches. I love reading there under my favourite oak tree. The playground has modern swings and a tall slide. Every afternoon it's full of laughing children and barking dogs. My friends and I sometimes play football nearby, but last week our ball hit a jogger. Now we're more careful. A wooden kiosk sells snacks and drinks. In summer, I queue for strawberry ice cream. In winter, the owner, Maria, makes the best hot chocolate with whipped cream. The park closes at 9 p.m., which is frustrating in summer when the evenings are long and beautiful. Once the guard shouted at me for staying past closing time. At the south end is a quiet rose garden with benches. Old couples sit there holding hands. Sometimes I see artists painting the flowers. Though small, this park feels like a green treasure in our concrete neighbourhood.